Scott Holbrook, President, Secure Tool Company. I just want to give you guys a quick video of a rooftop installation we did. It's a little bit unique, and you don't get to see this every day. So, pretty standard actually. Here's our box. There's our plug. Got the fuses up top, and you see this plug is actually running under. Close there. Is actually running under the swamp cooler here. And that's actually where we've got our box mounted, and then we bring it up top here. You see the antenna, and then we've got, you know, pretty wide view. It's got some trees in the way, but we'll come back a little bit later, get another antenna up here, get it posted up higher. But this is just an easy outdoor install. Put it under, protects it from the rain, the moisture, the shade, so it's not getting too hot. And that's all there is to it.